In last lecture we have studied the definition of logarithm, how to find characteristic and mantissa. Now we'll perform some calculations using log table. Let us start with multiplication. Consider the multiplication of two numbers like z equal to a multiplied by b. Now we have to evaluate a multiplied by b. By using method of logarithm, what we will do first is take anti-log of a multiplied by b. Now this log and anti-log are reverse of each other, so they cancel each other, and finally we get a multiplied by b only. So by taking anti-log and log helps us to simplify the procedure, as we can write this equal to anti-log of. Now log of a product can be written as sum of logs. We can write this as log a plus log of b. So first find the log of a, then find log of b, add these two logs and take the anti-log of this addition. Let us consider one example. Evaluate 31.42 multiplied by 9.989. Now this is equal to anti-log of log of 31.42 multiplied by 9.989. Now using the property of log, that log of mn is equal to log of m plus log of n. We can write this as anti-log of log of 31.42 plus log of 9.989. Now let us find the log of 31.42. So that is equal to anti-log of log of 31, the characteristic of 31. This is the decimal. Count the number of digits to the left of decimal. 1, 2, minus 1. So 1 is the characteristic. Now for 9.989, this number is also greater than 1. The position of decimal. Count the number of digits to the left of it. 1, minus 1. 0 is the characteristic for 9.989. Let us now find the logs. Now to find the log of 31.42, we will group the digits as first 2, third and fourth. 31 is to be located in first column, so this is 31 in the first column. Now locate 4 in first row, so here it is 4. Now take their intersection. Their intersection is 4969. The mean difference is for last digit, that is 2. So take mean difference of 2. The intersection with 31th row is 3. So mean difference is 3. Let us add it. So 4972. Now let us write the log of 31.42 as 1.4972. Let us now find the log of 9.989. Now to find the log of 9.989, let us group the numbers as 9989. Let us locate 99 in the first column. So 99, this is 99. Next 89. Now we need to locate 8 in the first row. So here it is 8. Now let us take the intersection of column of 8 with the row of 99. The intersection of 8th column with the row of 99 is 9991, and the mean difference is line, that is the last mean difference, which is 4. Let us add this. So we get this as 9995. So this is the mantissa for the log of 9.989. So the log is 9995. Add these two. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 9 16, carry forward 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 9 19, again carry 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14, again carry 1. So this is 2.4967. Let us find the anti-log of 2.4967. Now to find the anti-log of 2.4967, we group it as 0.49, 6 and 7. So we are calculating the anti-log of 0.4967. Now 0.49, locate in the first column. This is 0.49. Now locate 6 in the first row. So this is 6, column corresponding to 6. Take its intersection with the last row, which is 3133, and the mean difference of 7. So this is mean difference of 7. Take its intersection with the last row. This is the last row, and so we get anti-log as 3133 plus the main difference 5. So it is 3135 plus 3 8. So 3138 is the antilog. So the antilog is 3138. Now where to place the decimal? After the first digit. And what about the characteristic? Raise it to the power of 10, that is 10 raised to 2. If you want, you can multiply this 10 raised to 2, that is 100, with 3.138. So the final answer is 313.8. So this is we get for the multiplication of 31.42 and 9.989. Therefore 31.42 into 9.98 is equal to 313.8. Next time onwards, no need to write all these steps. You can skip writing these steps, and from the first step you can directly write this step, anti-log of, and into the bracket log. If it's multiplication, add the logs, and if it's division, subtract the log. Next example is evaluate 353.2 multiplied by 0.002278 multiplied by 8.7234 multiplied by 56. Now since we have to multiply all the numbers, there would be addition of the logs. So we can directly write this as anti-log into a bracket. Now we'll add the logs. Now for 353, let us find the characteristic. This is the decimal, number is greater than 1. The number of digits towards left are 1, 2, 3. Subtract 1. So 2 is the characteristic. Now let us find the characteristic for 0.002278. Now this number is less than 1. Decimal, first non-zero. Count the number of zeros between decimal and the first non-zero 2. Add 1 to it and make it negative. So 2 plus 1 3, bar 3 is the characteristic. For 8.7234, number is greater than 1. So count number of digits to the left of the decimal. There is only one digit 8. Subtract 1 from it. 1 minus 1 0 is the characteristic. Now for 56, when decimal is not given, place the decimal after the last digit. So 56 can be written as 56.00. To the left of the decimal there are two digits 5 and 6. Subtract 1 from it. So 1 is the characteristic for 56. Now let us find the logs. Actually we are calculating mantissa now. Half work is done calculating the characteristic. Now we'll find out the mantissa using log table. Let us find the log of 353.2. Log of 353.2. We have already calculated its characteristic to be 2. Now let us find its log. Grouping of the numbers will go like 35, 3 and 2. Now look at 35 in first column. Here is 35. Next is 3. Locate 3 in the first row, and from 3 just go downwards. So here is the intersection. 5, 4, 7, 8. So mantissa is 5, 4, 7, 8. Now we have to add the mean difference. Mean difference corresponds to the last digit, that is 2. Now just go straight down till we get 35. So here is the mean difference for 2, which is 2. Now add 2 to 5, 4, 7, 8. That is equal to 8 plus 2 10, 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8. So it is 5, 4, 8, 0. Let us write it here. 5, 4, 8, 0. Now I'll find a log of 0.002278. Now zeros between decimal and first non-zero are not significant to find mantissa. So to find mantissa we take first 4 non-zero, that is 2278. Let us find mantissa for 2278. Locate 22 in first column. Now here is 22 in first column. Locate 7 in the first row. 7 in the first row. Find their intersection. Now this is their intersection. 3560. So 3560 and mean difference corresponding to 8. Now mean difference 8. So this is 8. Now take mean difference corresponding to 8 for 22. Now mean difference corresponding to 8 for 22 is 15. So add 15. 5, 6 plus 1, 7. So 3575. Write it here. 3575. Now let us find the log for 8.7234. Now to find a log for 8.7234, we have to consider only first 4 digits, that is 8, 7, 2 and 3. We have to neglect this 4. If this number, the last one which we are neglecting, is 5 or greater, then we have to increase the neighboring digit by 1. But here it is less than 5, 4. So let us take it as 8723. So the group will be 8723. Locate 87 in the first column. Now here is 87 in first column. Locate 2 in the first row. So this 2 in the first row. Now take its intersection with 87. So intersection with 87 is over here. So this is the intersection with 87. 9405. And mean difference corresponding to 3. So the mean difference corresponding to 3. This is 3. Mean difference. Now take its intersection with 87. So the mean difference is 1. Add 1 to it. So 9406 is the mantissa for 8723. We'll write it here. 9406. And now let us find the log of 56. Now the group for 56 is 56 0 0. Locate 56 in the first column. So here is 56. Locate 0 in first row. So the intersection is 7482. Mean difference for 0. Mean difference for 0 is not to be considered. So no mean difference, because mean difference starts from 1. So the mantissa is 7482. Let us write it here. 7482. Now add all these numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 2, 13, 3, carry forward 1. Now next, this 7 plus 1, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24, carry forward 2. Next, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19, carry forward 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 5, 25, carry forward 2 over here. Now be careful here. Let us add first positive numbers. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, bar 3. Treat this bar 3 as a negative number. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the addition is 2.5943. Let us calculate its antilog now. To calculate antilog we need 0.5943. Now locate 0.59 in the first column. So here is 0.59. Then 4. Locate in first row. 4. Take their intersection. It is 3926. Mean difference corresponding to 3. So mean difference corresponding to 3. Now the mean difference corresponding to 3 is 3. Add it to 3926. So 6 plus 3, 9, 2, 9, 3. So it is 3929. So this is equal to 3929. Where to place the decimal? After first digit. And what about the characteristic? Raise it to the power of 10. So the final answer is 3.929 into 10 raised to 2. Again you can multiply this 10 raised to 2, that is 100, to this number to get 392.9, the final answer.